In today's digital world, oil and gas companies are faced with challenges and opportunities that are reshaping their industry. In the past few years, we have seen a 50% drop in the price of oil, causing companies to redesign their operations to operate more efficiently and at a lower cost. At the same time, we have seen the revolution of shale drilling in the US that has redrawn the geopolitical landscape of oil and gas. In 2014, the lowering of the price of oil and gas changed the focus to operational excellence. And the significant developments in drilling and operating technologies created a new desire to use big data analytics to better understand and drive efficiencies. OpenText partners with leading oil and gas companies to drive operational excellence, creating more agile, effective, and integrated enterprises. Through enterprise information management and the automation of asset operations, OpenText can turn structured and unstructured data into insight, actions, and outcomes. Our comprehensive suite of oil and gas industry solutions provides the speed, efficiency, and versatility needed to support your operational excellence initiatives. With industry-leading proficiency and expertise, OpenText helps to define and accelerate the strategic vision of organizations. In fact, many of the largest oil and gas companies around the world have entrusted OpenText to transform and optimize their operations to meet the challenges of the next century. OpenText technology is driving digital transformation and operational excellence in oil and gas, enabling the industry to reduce risk, operate more effectively, and, by enabling intelligent and connected enterprises, ultimately produce, transport, and refine oil and gas as efficiently as possible.